Welcome to Meaningful Activities to Generate Interesting Classrooms. Section 3, Part 1, Recognizing Creativity. Our students live and operate in a world of creativity and perpetual innovation. Creativity surrounds us. You just have to observe and contemplate the creative thinking that went into the creative products and innovations you see around you. Please locate page 47, Recognizing Creativity. Notice the quotation at the top of the page. Creativity is like beauty. It lies in the eyes of the beholder. Did you ever look closely at an advertisement or a commercial that caught your eye and ask yourself, what makes this ad creative? Is it something unusual, unique, imaginative, or clever? Advertisers are constantly looking for new ways to capture your attention. For example, advertisements for perfume have evolved from a picture of the bottle to an insert that contains the scent of the perfume. Advertisers decided that the smell would stimulate demand for the perfume. Advertising firms employ some of the most highly creative people, and with the cost of commercials, especially at the Super Bowl, advertisers must make sure their ads have the impact that justifies the cost. We can foster creativity in our students by showing them how to recognize creativity when it is modeled in the world they encounter. Work individually and use your personal electronic device to find one or two advertisements that you think are the most creative. Be prepared to share why you chose that ad and why you feel it is creative. Please find the revised activity directions in Canvas Modules Section 3, Part 1, Analyzing Advertisements. In your small groups, individually share the advertisements you chose and explain why. Analyzing the advertisements chosen and discuss what characteristics and attributes make the advertisements creative. In other words, what are the creative aspects of the ads that led you to choose them? Note the advertisement that is your group's favorite and why. In the discussion area, list the characteristics and attributes of creative ads. Optionally, comment on another group's post in a meaningful way. What characteristics and attributes of creative ads did you list? Did the advertisement use humor and cleverness, color, words, and design to grab attention, exaggerate size, creating visual effect, play on words or catchy names, use compelling words or a memorable tagline, communicate a feeling or attitude associated with the product rather than the product itself? For example, heartfelt, freedom, adventure, luxury. Did it use unique practical items? Did it add new flavor, put a twist on the product, or upgrade? Did it provide relevance? Do you see yourself in the advertisement? Did it use icons or logos? Offer unique solutions to a problem? Look at things in a new way, or incorporate the latest technology? How can you foster creativity in your students? What creative opportunities could you add to your content areas? When studying certain events in history, could you have students create an advertisement or commercial that supports a certain viewpoint? When studying a certain novel, could you have students recreate a scene, either by acting it out or designing it in a poster or diorama? Could you also have them create a movie trailer for the novel? In science, do you need to provide more opportunities for your students to come up with creative solutions to scientific issues? Please also take a look at the activity assets on page 48. Remember, the lists you developed show us ways in which people can express their creativity. If we want our students to exhibit creativity, we must provide opportunities for them to be creative and recognize creativity in themselves and others. It is through positive creative experiences that students develop their self-efficacy in being a creative thinker. This concludes Section 3, Part 1, Recognizing Creativity. Please continue to Modules Section 3, Part 1, Unlocking Creativity, Stimulating Curiosity and Challenging Assumptions.